Priyanka ji, you directed Island City and you won an award in Venice. So how are you feeling about it?
I'm feeling great about it, and it was a great honor to be selected at Venice Days, and then on top of that, we won an award there, which was for the best debut director, Fedora Award. So it was just like you can say like an icing on the cake. And it was after that the film has traveled to a lot of festivals. For a year it's been traveling. It's traveled to more than 25 film festivals, and it's got a lot of awards, got a lot of acclaim. Now it's releasing in India, so it's a great feeling for all of us to be bringing our film back, to release it back home.
So Island City, what inspired you to make this movie and what was the main idea behind it?
So there were these three stories that I was working on, and they were kind of related to my experiences within the city and the experiences of certain people that I had encountered. And I had this idea about making, a film about the absurdity of modern life, not just in Bombay, but also in any modern city. And so there are certain absurdities within the corporate life, within the family life, that were interesting to me, and I wanted to kind of work on that and make a kind of a black comedy centered around this, and so that's how I started.
So you think that audience will relate to your film and they'll connect to it?
Absolutely, absolutely. It's a very entertaining film. It's a black comedy. It's a comedy for most part, and it's also like throughout, like wherever we have screened the film, a lot of audiences have come and have told us about how they have connected to the stories in different ways. And I think it's a universal film. It's a funny film, and it's certainly going to be entertaining for whoever comes to watch it.
And how was it working with Vinay Pathak, Amrita Subhash and Tanishtha Chatterjee?
All three of them are absolutely amazing actors in their own right, and I was just really lucky to get each one of them for my film. It was like a dream cast almost. Vinay Pathak, I mean, when I approached him, I did not even have a producer at hand, and it was really great that that he liked the script and he agreed to work on the film. He's an actor who is so in the film. His character doesn't have a lot of dialogue, so I needed somebody who would be would be able to emote with his body, and he's so good with that. And we've seen him in so many plays that he does, and there are plays in which he's just speaking in gibberish, and yet he manages to convey things through his expression, through his body so effectively. So he was really my first choice for the film, and it was just amazing working with him, a great learning experience for me as well. Tanishtha again is an internationally acclaimed actress. She has won several awards abroad, and she may be one of the best known Indian faces in terms of actors abroad, even though in India we are still discovering her work and her talent. And it was just amazing working with her, because she's so intuitive, and she made the character of Aarti so very real. And Amrita herself, like, she is a very well-known actress in the Marathi cinema world. And the role that she has done over here is again very interesting, because she has played a soap star at an earlier point of time. But now she's on the other side. She is like a person who is watching a TV soap and who is enamored. So she's on the other side. She's a person who is enamored of this particular TV show. And so that was very interesting for her to do also, and it was very interesting for me to work with her. She's a very, very versatile actress. So it was just a great experience.
And how was your whole journey as being a director, and what was the learning process?
So it's I graduated from FTII. After that, I was doing a little bit of work with MTV, and I have assisted. I have been associate director on some films. And after that, I had some scripts, and I was looking to make my film. I was very lucky that for this film, NFDC came on board, and I could get to make this slightly different film. I won't say that it's a very offbeat film, but yes, certainly it is a little different. Even in terms of its humor, it's a little different. And it was really lucky for me that NFDC kind of supported me, and I could do what I wanted with this film and put it out there.
What do you tell your audience? Like, why should they go and watch your movie?
Well, the only reason that the audience should watch this film is because it's an extremely entertaining film. It's a funny film. It's a film that you all will be able to relate to, and I'm sure you will enjoy it a lot. So please do watch the film.
Thanks so much, ma'am.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Wait.
Hello, how are you?
Killer smile.
अमृता, सबसे पहले तो आइलैंड सिटी क्या कहना चाहिए, किस तरह की फिल्म होने वाली है और अपने किरदार के बारे में थोड़ा कुछ
Now this is my next movie. I'm happy to be यहाँ पे है. You know, he is the central character of a daily soap, and it's a love story between.
So, Sameer sir, tell me about your association with the Island City movie and what's your role in it?
Well, it's a fabulous association. I'm very happy to be part of such a wonderful thought by, I think, a very creative director who had a vision in place with making a movie of 3 interwoven lives in the island city of Mumbai. And very happy to be one of the stories. And as I said, each story has their own take on a very dark yet funny side of Mumbai, with an outcome that does say a lot, but says it in a very humorous way. I think Ruchika is very subtle in her filmmaking, and she's going places. I keep joking about it to her. My role is of this television character called Purushottam Ram. So in the second story, it's where usually have the saying of real life versus real life. The second story is about real life with real life. So it's how the television programs, the characters are such influencers on people's lives, and how their lives revolve around watching these shows, and how they make a big difference and an impact to their being, their happiness, their sadness. And Purushottam Ram is the ideal son, he's the ideal husband, he is the ideal Indian man in the eyes of many middle class folk who watch serials on a daily basis. And how what happens to him during the course of this new big massive series on television affects the lives of this one particular family who is going through a lot of turmoil. And when they watch this show, it brings a lot of happiness in their lives, and they equate whatever he is, his family life is, to what their life could have been, should have been, and maybe they gauge their happiness meter with what's happening on the show. So it was very interesting to shoot it. It was mad because I never played a serial character in my life. I've done one show called Bade Achhe Lagte Hain, which I did for about 6-7 months.
It was like a
But it was
character, I think.
No, it's far, it's very different. It was an urban show, yaar. I was playing a billionaire who lives in like Dubai and stuff like that. Here it was more about playing this ideal mathe pe tika, mooch, Purushottam Ram, kurta pajama, वो मुआयना करने गया है अपने खेतों का, वो सब करके वापस आया है, और कैसे वो मतलब कि आइडियल आदमी है और सब कुछ अच्छा करता है. So it was a laugh riot actually on the sets, because whatever we were doing, we were hamming it to take a bit of a spin-off on Indian television shows. And it was just crazy because we did the whole setup like a TV show. The outfits were very, very TV-centric, and just every scene was being performed like, in my head I'm thinking about zoom, those shots that they have on TV back in the day. So a lot of fun, a lot of fun doing it, and I'm very happy that it's done so well across the world.
So we can see that it's your debut movie, like doing a cameo, I think.
No, I've done Jannat, I've done Zahir. I just recently did Houseful. I have another film that's coming out which is called Hame Tumse. It's a love story that goes wrong. We shot this in Manali, playing one of the leads in that. And
Who's the actress?
it's got Priya Banerjee and it has Karanveer Bora. So the three of us are doing this. We're looking forward to it. It's coming out. It's come out looking really nice. But fingers crossed. The music has been done by T-Series, so a lot of dancing, a lot of being up in the mountains, and having a good time with it. So yeah, lots to look forward to. Very fortunate that it's been a good year. I've got to be part of this wonderful film. I've done a commercial film like Houseful. Get to host the IPL and have another film releasing. So couldn't be happier.
Okay, thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you for talking to me. Cheers. Thanks.
सर आपके लिए आना था
Don't do this. Use the standy now, please.
ठीक है ना यार सर सामने आ अच्छा मौली जी कह रही है ये स्टैंड
ठीक है.
ठीक है इधर आइए हाँ विनय सर सामने आपके सामने देखो चलते और अरे आपका हो गया विनय सर हाँ जी हो गया क्या
Thank you, Anupama. Thank you to all the media who have come for the conference today. And Island City is a very, very special film for me. This is my first feature film. And it was a great honor for me that the script was chosen by NFDC and that NFDC has produced this film. NFDC has a great history of producing some of the best cinema in the country, and it was great to have them as support for the film. The film has traveled to a lot of festivals. It premiered at the prestigious Venice Film Festival. It got an award there. It's been traveling a lot, and but more than that, I'm happy that the film is releasing back home in India, because there is no greater joy for a director than to have the film screened in their own country and have their own audiences react to the film, because that's where the film has come from. That is what the film is about. So, and also through the film, I had the opportunity of meeting a great crew and a great cast, and it was just amazing for me to work with so many talented actors in my very first film. And I'd like to thank all of them for supporting me, because it was only because of their support and their contribution that this film has been possible, or it's there and it's presented in the way that it has. So first of all, I would like to introduce Mr. Vinay Pathak, who was the first person to come on.
Yeah, the youngest first.
So Vinay Pathak was the first person I approached with the script, and at that point of time there was no producer, nobody. I didn't know whether he would, being such a star, whether he would even look at my script and read it and all. But I was very surprised that within a few days he called me. He had liked the script and he said, "I'm there and I'm going to."
क्योंकि मेरे पास और कोई काम नहीं था.
So, अच्छा मैंने सोचा कि शायद स्क्रिप्ट अच्छी है. But so now I know the truth. But ठीक है. So that was really amazing, and it was a big morale booster for me that somebody like Vinay Pathak had liked the script. He was ready to do this role, and also I wanted, the only person I wrote to was Vinay Pathak, because as soon as I wrote it, I said this is a role for Vinay Pathak. It's a role that because the central character, it's not that Vinay doesn't speak dialogues well or anything, but the central character doesn't have a lot of lines, and I needed an actor who was very good with emoting through his
नो
body, through
डायलॉग्स
his language.
बेसिकली आपको पहले से चेतावनी दी जा रही है कि इसमें मेरे कोई डायलॉग्स नहीं है।
ऐसा भी नहीं है, बट हाँ थोड़े कम है. So I said कि who, because I had been watching a lot of plays of Vinay's and I was really a fan of his work, and I thought that this would be ideal, and it's great that it worked out.
जी मुझे लग रहा है आप सारी राज की बातें इनको अभी बता देंगे।
Oh, okay.
They're not even taking notes यार।
Okay, sorry.
None of them are taking notes. They're not even writing it. Oh, they're recording it. Thank you. Fantastic. It's television. I forgot.
So then I'd like to introduce Amruta Subhash, who is the
तालियां
main character of second story, The Ghost in the Machine, and she is a very well-known Marathi film actress.
And we
as
look
well
very good together also.
And I'd also like to call upon Tanishtha Chatterjee, who is the Tanishtha Chatterjee is, of course, like extremely acclaimed actress, very well known for a lot of films, awarded nationally as well as internationally. Amruta is also a national award winner, and I would like to call Chandan Roy Sanyal. Woo!
चंदन जी इस फिल्म के मुख्य विलेन हैं। ऐसा मुझे बताया गया
क्योंकि इस माइक में आवाज नहीं आ रही। थैंक यू फॉर टेलिंग अस। तो ये हो गए।
I would like to call Sameer Kochar.
जी,
plays
only
a
star
very,
in the
very-
film, by the way. Only superstar, Sameer ji.
He plays a very, very interesting role in the film, which you all will get to watch later. He plays a dashing hero
Superstar.
superstar hero of a daily soap, which is a very, very popular daily soap. So you'll see him in a very different avatar.
So you typecast him.
Yes, from the IPL role, I felt that this is the right role.
आगे हम इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल हैं तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, लेकिन अगर नहीं है तो भी हम जवाब देते रहेंगे।
उससे पहले मैं इनवाइट करना चाहूँगी the HOD, the Head of Distribution and Syndication at National Film Development Corporation, अवधेश कुमार।
अवधेश जी, ये अभी से लेके रिलीज तक हमारे मार्गदर्शक हैं।
Thank you so much for everybody coming here. Island City is the marquee film for NFDC, and this is the second film we are releasing this year. I congratulate Ruchika and the entire star cast for making such a beautiful film, and it has been a tremendous journey being part of this film, right from the script stage to the production to film festivals, and now we are releasing it theatrically in India, and we have great plans to take it forward to all the syndication platforms in digital as well as TV and other ancillary units. So congratulations everybody, and I hope we have a great show. Thank you.
और अब आप वाकई सवाल पूछ सकते हैं।
Can we do photos otherwise? Photograph? Group photograph?
Not
Quick Q&A?
बाद फिर आप 1-on-1 भी करेंगे क्या? अच्छा, तो ये तो हनीमून ही हो गया।
हाँ, रुचिका, फिल्में अगर आइडिया है तो इस फिल्म का आइडिया मतलब क्या चीज़ ऐसी थी जिसने आपको इस फिल्म के आइडिया के लिए प्रेरित किया?
तो ये फिल्म जो है ये थोड़ी बहुत मेरे एक्सपीरियंसेस इन बॉम्बे उससे थोड़ा बहुत इंस्पायर्ड है, लेकिन ये जो एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं ये थोड़े मतलब इट्स दे नॉट जस्ट लाइक सैड और ट्रैजिक एक्सपीरियंसेस, जो कि एक बिग सिटी लाइफ के जो कुछ अब्सर्डिटीज़ होते हैं, कुछ कॉमिक भी होते हैं और कुछ मतलब स्ट्रेंज एक्सपीरियंसेस, तो वो सबको थोड़ा सा डिस्टिल करके उनके अराउंड 3 कहानियाँ बनाई गई हैं। और ये एक इट्स एन एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ अर्बन लिविंग इन द सिटी, नॉट जस्ट बॉम्बे, कोई भी सिटी हो सकता है, और उसका कुछ एक एंटरटेनिंग और एक ब्लैक कॉमिक एक लुक है।
विनय जी, जैसा हमने देखा कि जब भी आप इवेंट्स पे होते हैं या बाकी जगह मिलते हैं, एक बड़ा ही हल्का फुल्का आपका अप्रोच होता है, फिल्मों में एकदम उलट हो जाता है, वहाँ पे संजीदगी ज्यादा नजर आती है। तो क्या खुद को चैलेंज हमेशा करते रहते हैं?
क्या है कि जो जिस संजीदगी की बात कर रहे हैं वो इवेंट में आप लोगों की तरफ से ज्यादा।
सर ऑडियो
हेलो
माइक नाराज,
मैं ऐसे ही बात करता हूँ।
नहीं
सर नहीं मैं बता सकता हूँ।
ये माइक
सर फॉर कैमरा ऑडियो,
कैमरा में आवाज।
हेलो, हाँ
perfect.
ये ठीक हो रहा है।
परफेक्ट।
मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जिस संजीदगी की आप बात कर रहे हैं और अगर इवेंट में मैं कुछ उच्छृंखल हो जाता हूँ या उदंड हो जाता हूँ या कुछ ऐसी बातें कहता हूँ ताकि आप लोगों के चेहरे पे थोड़ी मुस्कुराहट हो, वो इसलिए क्योंकि मेरे तजुर्बे में, मेरे अनुभव में ऐसा है कि छोटी फिल्मों को बेचने के लिए, छोटी फिल्मों को बहुत सारे दर्शकों तक पहुँचाने के लिए सिर्फ उसकी तदबीर बहुत नहीं है, काफ़ी नहीं है, मुझे ऐसा लगता है। ये बहुत अच्छी फिल्म है, ये जग जाहिर है। इस फिल्म के रिलीज़ होते ही थिएटर फेस्टिवल सर्किट में इसे कितना सराहा गया, कितना पुरस्कार मिला, ये सब जानते हैं। रुचिका जी की पहली फिल्म है और ये स्क्रिप्ट लेवल से सराही जा रही है। इसके बावजूद फिल्म रिलीज़ होने वाली है 2 तारीख को, लेकिन बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं कि फिल्म रिलीज़ होने वाली है 2 तारीख को। तो मेरे आपने जिस उच्छृंखल स्वभाव का जिक्र किया, उसकी वजह यही है कि मैं चाहता हूं कि आप लोग इस फिल्म को देखें। ऑफ कोर्स प्रेस स्क्रीनिंग होगी और कहीं आपका भी दायित्व बनता है कि अगर फिल्म अच्छी है, अगर साहित्य अच्छा है तो उसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक पहुंचाया जाए। तो मेरे ऐसे खेल चलते रहेंगे, आप आगे सवाल पूछते रहिएगा, लेकिन 100 बातों की एक बात, मैं बस इतना कहना चाहूँगा कि आप लोगों से इतनी इल्तिजा है, गुजारिश है, रिक्वेस्ट है that please spread as much as you can, not just because I'm being silly or because I have worked with one of the finest talents of our country and this is not an exaggeration, but because it's a wonderful film and it's a wonderful film by somebody who's making a film for the first time, and I'm telling you, people should watch out and see what she's going to do next. Thank you very much. This was a rehearsed speech, by the way. Thank you.
Ruchika ji, could you please explain a term, black comedy?
Tanisha, any question for Tanisha?
No. Ruchika ji, could you just please explain the black comedy term? What exactly?
Black comedy, मतलब मैं ऐसा कहूँगी कि it is maybe something that where you are laughing at something where you should not be laughing. Sometimes you are laughing at it and you are wondering कि इस चीज़ पे मुझे हंसना चाहिए क्या? It seems maybe even tragic or it may seem a little odd, but you are laughing at that situation.
बेसिकली पिक्चर कलर्ड है भाई, ठीक है, ऐसा मत समझिएगा कि ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट है, एकदम कलर्ड है, नई टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ बनाई गई है, डिजिटल है, आप तक पहुंचेगी जैसा आपने कभी देखा ना हो। ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट पिक्चर नहीं है, ये मैं सबसे कह रहा हूँ, सिर्फ भाई साहब से नहीं कह रहा हूँ, पिक्चर ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट नहीं है, कलर्ड है ना?
Black comedy. Looking at the character, the simplicity of the character, it seems कुछ 10 विदानिया की भी कुछ यादें दिला रहा है।
ये सवाल मुझसे पूछा आपने? नहीं, अरे क्या 10 विदानिया की याद नहीं दिलाएगा। आप देखिए, मैं वादा करता हूँ कि आपको कुछ और चीज़ों की याद दिलाएगा, आपको अपनी ज़िंदगी की याद दिलाएगा, आपको याद दिलाएगा आप कहाँ रहते हैं, किस परिवेश में रहते हैं, कितना फंसे हुए हैं आप ऐसी चीज़ों में जिसमें प्राण भी नहीं, समझ रहे हैं आप मशीनों में, अपने माइक में, अपने मोबाइल में, अपने टेलीविज़न में, अपने कंप्यूटर में आप इतने लिप्त हैं कि आपके आसपास जो ज़िंदगी है वो कैसी है उसका आभास, उसका ज्ञान नहीं है। तो इसको थोड़ा ब्लैक कॉमेडी करके हमने बताया है।
Any more questions? या आप लोग बाहर 1-to-1 पूछना चाहेंगे? Anything for Tanisha?
No, actually, let's people just watch the film. I mean, I think Vinay has spoken for all of us about what the film is about, and also Ruchika said that. So, I mean, people should just watch the film.
Tanisha, just one. Means the audience still can't get over with the character of un-Indian. So,
we are talking about Island City here.
I know. Just coming back to that only. Yeah. This is the completely drastic character for you. So, how the audience gonna relate with it?
I mean, as actors, we always play different characters, and the audience is going to relate to the story. We are all different characters in the story that, like Ruchika has written, which is Island City. And as Vinay said, that all the characters are sort of trapped in this whole machine-like life that हम लोग एक urban बड़ी city में जो जीते हैं, जहाँ हमारी relationship virtual world से ज़्यादा है real world से, you know, के मुताबिक, like compared to the real world. So I think people will relate to that, and all the three stories have a humor, जैसे आप कह रहे कि black humor है, but it's very very funny, and people would relate to that. So and as actors, yeah, we play different characters.
Chandan, would you like to say something about your villainous term he mentioned?
अमृता, विनय, तनिष्का ने भी बताया, थोड़ा रोशनी डालेंगे आपने अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में?
रोशनी
देखिए, रोशनी जी आज थोड़ी बीमार चल रही है,
वही तो
उन्होंने खबर भिजवाई है कि मैं थोड़ी देर बाद आती। उन्होंने कहा कि आप सब लोगों को कम से कम 2 बार इसका ट्रेलर दिखाया जाए, ताकि उस पर कहानी पे रोशनी ज़्यादा पड़े। जैसा कि रुचिका जी ने भी कहा, तनिष्ठा जी ने भी कहा, मैं फिर से कहूँगा कि ये 3 अलग अलग कहानियाँ हैं। और मैं पहले मजाक कर रहा था, चंदन रॉय साहब फिल्म के विलेन नहीं हैं, वो हीरो हैं तीसरी कहानी। तो हाँ, ये लंबा चलेगा ये। तो हम सब ये फिल्म इन्होंने एक्टिंग नहीं की, हम जिन लोगों ने हमने एक्टिंग की है फिल्म में, वो 3 अलग अलग कहानियां हैं, और तीनों कहानियों में जितने भी लोग हैं उनका अपने आसपास, अपने इर्द गिर्द, अपने परिवेश से क्या संबंध है। बोलने में बहुत थोड़ा कठिन लग रहा है, लेकिन ये बहुत आसान है। आपका आपके परिवेश से क्या संबंध है, क्या सेम्बलेंस है, क्या रिलेशनशिप है, इसको बहुत ही मतलब मेड इजी, वो जो कुंजिका पढ़ते थे ना हम लोग बचपन में, शेक्सपियर मेड इजी, उसको बहुत ही कहानी में ढाल के रुचिका जी ने आप तक। अब अगर 3 कहानियों को मैं बताने लग गया तो फिर मतलब फिल्म देखने का क्या मजा। हम चाहते हैं कि आपकी उत्सुकता जो है, जो आपने पूछा, वो इतनी बढ़ जाए कि आप ना सिर्फ फिल्म देखने के लिए जाएं, बल्कि आसपास के लोगों को प्रेरित करें कि ये फिल्म देखने लायक है। क्योंकि ये ट्रेलर देख के नहीं समझ में आ रहा भाई कि मतलब हीरो हीरोइन के साथ चक्कर काट रहा है कि नहीं, या विलेन किसी को मार रहा है कि नहीं। नहीं भैया, आप हीरो हैं, विलेन किसी को मार रहा है कि नहीं, या हीरोइन गाना गा रही है कि नहीं। तो मेरा कहने का ये भी मतलब है कि हमारी जो तमीज़ अभी तक रही है सिनेमा देखने की, कि सिनेमा में एक हीरो होता है, एक हीरोइन होती है, और एक विलन होता है, और कुछ गाने होते हैं, कुछ मार धाड़ होती है, वो सही है, वो फिल्में भी सही हैं, उस फिल्मों से हमारी रोजी रोटी चलती है। लेकिन इसके अलावा भी कहानियां हैं, इसके अलावा भी फिल्में हैं, इसके अलावा भी फिल्मकार हैं, इसके अलावा भी फिल्म लिखने वाले लोग हैं। तो हम सिर्फ एक ही तरह की कहानियां क्यों देखते रहें बार बार? मेरी ये गुजारिश है आपसे।
और मुझे मेरे किरदार के बारे में तो
हम फिल्म देखें, उसके बाद में
नहीं, आप ट्रेलर देखें भैया, इसके बाद में लिखें। फिल्म तो 2 तारीख को रिलीज होगी, लेकिन सिर्फ आपके स्पेशल रिक्वेस्ट पे आपको हम पहले दिखाएंगे 30 तारीख को।
थोड़ा आप अपने कैरेक्टर के बारे में
नहीं ठीक है,
नहीं जरूर बताएं, जरूर बताएं।
किरदार के बारे में अगर मुझे लगता है
कि आपका क्या सेड है,
जैसे विनय जी ने अभी कहा, जैसे विनय जी ने
जी, हम फिर से आपके लिए इसको फिर से मेड इजी करते हैं। आप अपने किरदार के बारे में बताएं।
जैसे विनय जी ने अभी कहा कि हम एक तरह की ही फिल्में क्यों देखना चाहते हैं। सो आमतौर पर आपने ऐसी फिल्में देखी होगी जिसमें हीरो और हीरोइन है और वो एक दूसरे के प्यार में है। मेरे किरदार के बारे में मैं इतना ही बताना चाहूंगी, एक सवाल ही आपके सामने रखूंगी, क्या आपने कभी ऐसी लव स्टोरी देखी है जिसमें लवर और जिसको प्यार है उससे वो कभी मिले ना और उनको फिर भी प्यार हो? अगर देखी नहीं है तो आप देखिए, कैसे होता है आपको फिल्म में पता चलेगा।
एक्चुअली मेरी कहानी भी यही है।
सीरियसली हम मजाक नहीं कर रहे हैं
कि हमारे अंदर एक ख्वाहिश होती है कि कोई ऐसा हो दुनिया में जो हमें समझ पाए। हर किसी के अंदर ये ख्वाहिश होती है कि कोई तो ऐसा होगा दुनिया में जो हमें समझ पाए, वो एक स्पेशल पर्सन, लेकिन हम उनसे कभी मिलते नहीं है शायद। तो ये हम तीनों की कहानी ये है कि वो बिना मिले, बिना उसको जाने, हमें उनसे कैसे प्यार हो जाता है।
हाँ, और तनिष्ठा की किरदार में तो वो मिलती है नहीं मिलती है, मेरे किरदार में तो बहुत ही सरियल है। मतलब दिख रहा है फिर भी मिल नहीं रहा है, तो आप देखिए क्या होगा।
और जहां तक मेरे किरदार की बात है भाई साहब, जब
नहीं,
आपने छेड़े दिए हैं तार,
सीरियसली है।
तो सुनिए ये गाना भी। यहाँ दो कहानियों के दो दंपति मौजूद हैं, ठीक है
जी।
लेकिन जो मेरी कहानी है
हाँ।
उसमें मुझे फिर से हीरोइन नहीं दी गई है, ठीक है। प्रेम करने के लिए मेरे पास सिर्फ मशीनें हैं और अंत में एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत नौजवान बॉस हैं जो मुझे प्रेरित करते रहते हैं कि जाकर जीवन का आनंद उठाएं। यू बेटर हैव फन।
पर मुझे एक ही बात कहनी है कि विनय जी के साथ मैं इस फिल्म में काम नहीं कर पाई, लेकिन हमारी अगली चिड़िया फिल्म में मैं उनके साथ काम कर रही हूँ, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी अबाउट इट।
भैया उसमें भी आइएगा प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस
ये सब कुछ।
और अब मैं आपके सामने मैं अनुरोध करता हूँ कि आप दिल थाम के बैठिए, क्योंकि इस फिल्म के जो असली सुपरस्टार हैं, एंड आई एम नॉट जस्ट सेइंग दिस, इट्स व्हेन यू सी द फिल्म you'd realize. And I just want to say, I've never said this in a public podium, Sameer. There was an exemplary work, and I had goosebumps watching you, what you did so convincingly, which many actors don't do convincingly. Thank you.
I got two of them now. Yeah, what is yours, sir?
Hi. As you said, you had no work when Ruchika came to you. So, do you think like superstars are like counted on fingers these days, and that's why the movies are like hit, like Salman Khan and Shah Rukh Khan?
Okay, I will come back to you, but Sameer साहब बोलने वाले थे अभी.
That's okay. You can.
नहीं आपके बाद.
Whenever.
क्योंकि इनसे किसी ने सवाल पूछा, अब ये जवाब देंगे, उनका जवाब खत्म होगा, फिर मैं आपके सवाल का जवाब दूंगा, अगर आपको बुरा ना लगे तो. ठीक.
You're sure though, right? You're positive, right? Okay, thank you. But just once again, thank you everybody for coming out here. I think Vinay has summed it up so nicely. एक labor of love है ये film. I think it's totally entirely Ruchika Oberoi's film, who's thought of it entirely अपनी experiences से, और एक island city मुंबई की कहानी है जहाँ पर अलग-अलग लोग रहते हैं. She's picked out 3 stories and really played them out very, very beautifully. As far as what they were talking about in terms of roles, I have never done something like this before in my life. रुचिका ने कहा कि ये करना है, मैंने कहा ये तो यार बहुत मुश्किल है क्योंकि मैं तो इससे दूर भागता हूँ. It's playing somebody on real life who I've never played before. So it's a very interesting film, the one we've done. मीना अमृता के वो बता रही है काफी surreal है. कि यूजुअली होता है कि real life versus real life होता है. यहाँ it's real life with real life. So it's a very interesting concept and it was a laugh ride. I remember रुचिका जब हम शूट कर रहे थे, हमारे दिमाग में वो टीवी के क्लोजअप्स चल रहे थे, वो घंटियां बज रही थी, वो आरती की थालियां चल रही थी वहां पर. एंड द इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग वाज दैट वी नेवर शॉट विद ईच अदर, अमृता एंड आई वाज इमेजिनिंग व्हाट शी वुड बी थिंकिंग व्हेन आई एम प्लेइंग द रोल. एंड आई गेस आपने भी जब परफॉर्म किया तो आपको पता नहीं था कि मैं किस तरीके से परफॉर्म कर रहा हूं. सो इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी एंड आई थिंक ऑल द अदर स्टोरीज आर ब्रिलियंट एंड आई एम वेरी फॉर्चुनेट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ दिस फिल्म एंड आई रियली अर्ज यू, लाइक व्हेन आई वाज सेइंग, कि प्लीज स्प्रेड द वर्ड आउट फार एंड वाइड. इट्स अ लेबर ऑफ लव एंड इट्स ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ आवर वंडरफुल डायरेक्टर रुचिका ओबेरॉय.
किरदार के बारे में बताएं प्लीज.
किरदार, first of all, thanks everyone for coming and being part of this beautiful film called Island City. Gujarati. Yeah, so I play a Guju boy in the film, who's क्योंकि कहानी 3 अलग-अलग श्रेणियों की कहानी है. अपर क्लास, मिडिल क्लास जहाँ हमेशा टेलीविजन में घुसा रहता है, अपर क्लास जो मशीन ज़िंदगी और पैसा कमाने में लिप्त रहती है, और एक तीसरा क्लास है जो बम्बई के स्लम्स में रहता है, जहाँ पे मतलब रोशनी कम है और अलग ही जद्दोजहद चलती रहती है उन किरदारों की. तो मैं और तनिष्ठा तीसरी कहानी के पात्र हैं. उसका नाम है कॉन्टैक्ट. तो आइलैंड सिटी एक्चुअली मैंने एक ही बार देखी है, और वो मैंने वेनिस फिल्म फेस्टिवल में लकीली मैं पहुँच गया था, और वहाँ पे जो रिसेप्शन हमको मिला था मैं उसका बयान नहीं कर सकता. It was like a jam-packed house and there were like 400 people in the audience. We got a standing ovation. और हम लोग तो उससे पता चलता है कि इस तरह की कहानियाँ जो हैं, जो बहुत ही लगती बहुत साधारण है, क्योंकि उसमें उतना रंग, उतना जोश दिखता नहीं है, लेकिन जब वो एक्चुअली आप थिएटर में देखेंगे एक बंद कमरे में तो उसका इफेक्ट पता चलता है. और जो मैंने उन गोरों को, इटालियन गोरों को पागल होते हुए देखा वहाँ पे, मतलब वो सनक गई थी वो लोग जनता वहाँ पर कि किस तरह की फिल्म बना रही है आपने. तो मेरा किरदार है, मैं विलन नहीं हूँ। ना मैं रेप कर रहा हूँ, ना खून कर रहा हूँ, ना कुछ कर रहा हूँ। इसमें मैंने एक बहुत ही साधारण एक गुजराती लड़के का रोल किया है जिसको अपने मोटर बाइक से ज़्यादा प्यार है, बशर्ते इससे वो अपने ही ऑलमोस्ट
कह देना विलेन वाली बात।
हाँ। लेकिन वो अपने बाइक से इतना प्यार करता है कि उसको मतलब कि इसका प्यार नहीं दिखता है, और उसकी एक नोक झोंक है, और छोटा सा अच्छा सा स्वीट सा रोल है, देखिएगा 2 सितंबर। और कुछ
टेल मी, आपका सवाल क्या था?
Like I said, you just mentioned that when Ruchika approached you for the script, you had no work. So do you think that these days superstars are like counted and there's no work for art? Like movies are like big budget movies and stuff like that.
Okay, so I'll answer that in twofold. A, I was kidding about not having any work.
Okay.
Please do not print that. And B, I was pestering Ruchika to cast me in the film because once I read the script, I completely got blown by it. Honestly, I hadn't read something like that, which was written so earnestly and which fell into place like magic box. So yes, I was actually auditioning to Ruchika ji, begging her to take me in the film. Thirdly, you said about superstars. It's a subject that is really alien to me. I can.
Like the movies are usually big hit because there are a certain amount of stars in it. I mean that.
There is superhero films, which some of them are very obvious, as a Batman, Superman, Spider-Man, whatever.
That's a superstar.
Right. And then there are films, our mainstream commercial cinema, also kind of it venture on the same line, because it is the star that sells the film, not the story that much. And those films are here to stay in the sense that for the last 50, 70, 100 odd years we've been making films like this, and those are the films that are and not just here in India. I think even if in the West you go see, and not just Hollywood, they do come out with their superhero films because that's their money maker or whatever. But having said that, there's always the space for other films to coexist, which I think is really wanting in our industry today. That's my only complaint as of now. I'm not saying that all the other films need to compete with the mainstream cinema. Mainstream is mainstream for obvious reasons, and they have their own reasons. But I'm saying that our audience also need to evolve with time. The way they're evolving, the way they're watching web series, the way they're watching world cinema today on Netflix and on whatnot, I think they also need to sample stories being made in their own industry. Did I answer your question at all?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Vijay ji. Why the Bollywood?
We'll take all the questions outside,
Yeah.
please.
Perfect.
We'll do a quick.
इन्होंने पूछ लिया, इनका आखिरी सवाल, आपका आखिरी सवाल है, पूछिए।
विजय जी, why the Bollywood?
विजय जी को बुलाया जा रहा है। विजय जी
विनय।
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, ठीक।
विनय जी, why the Bollywood small movie star cast struggle to promote his movie?
अरे लगता है आप क्लास में अभी तुरंत दाखिल हुए हैं, इसी की तो बात हो रही थी कि देखिए हम कम लागत में फिल्में बनाते हैं, और कम लागत में फिल्में बनाते हैं इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि फिल्मों में किसी चीज़ की कमी है। वो लागत कम इसलिए है क्योंकि फिल्म बनाने में जो खर्चा है, क्योंकि ये इट्स एन एक्सपेंसिव मीडियम. The fact that it's a small budget film doesn't mean that it's a small film. It's a small film for the media because it doesn't have a star. You don't know how to sell it. You can't create a story that somebody's having an affair with somebody. Otherwise, I wouldn't mind these stories. I'm standing in the middle, as you say. तो whatever. See, हमें क्या है कि अगर हम 5 रुपए में फिल्म बनाएंगे तो उसको बेचने के लिए 15 रुपए नहीं लगा सकते. वो अच्छा व्यवसाय नहीं है. वो अच्छी कला भी नहीं. तो we have to find ways to sell a 5 rupee film in a way that it reaches the maximum people. And you know how media today is, including social media. you need to trend, you need to spread words, you need to be seen at the right places. You know, even this trailer needs to be played at you know, maybe with Bajrangi Bhaijaan or Sultan, where I'm being very serious and earnest about it. So yeah, you know why it struggles, because we don't have the budget to go and, you know, do all the top TRP rated TV shows and appear on it and promote it. It has nothing to do with the quality of storytelling, by the way. It has nothing to do with how good or bad the cinema is. It has to do with the approach to sell the film. And that's also valid. Every filmmaker should do everything in their hand and capacity to take the film to as many people as they can. So हमारे जो means हैं वो limited हैं, and I think that's why we struggle to promote our film to the fullest.
Is there nervousness? The
डन यार डन अरे डन
फोटो ऑफ
नया
इनको विराट ट्रेन पकड़ती हैं, इसलिए वो अपना आखिरी ज़माना।
ये बाद में विराट को ये धानु पकड़ लेंगे। We are very fortunate we've got the all the way from Delhi with us. A quick photo op and then we'll step out.
फोटो
हाँ mics.
मनोज खड़ा हो जा, मनोज ले अपना ले। हाँ मनोज ले मुझे मालूम है तू घर पे भी नहीं गया, डायरेक्ट इधर ही आया। हो गया सर, हो गया
तभी आप लोग इतने कम नंबर में दिखाई दे रहे हैं।
लेकिन सर फिर भी हम आए हैं यहाँ पे।
मुझे पता है वहाँ पे क्या ड्रिंक पिलाते हैं।
So, hi Tanishta. Hi. So how was it working with the Island City and how was the whole experience for you?
Well, it's so, everyone says, you know, their films are very different kind of a film, but this definitely is. It's three different stories. Thematically, it's sort of related. You know, it's about our relationship to the virtual world or to machines or things which are not real. And we connect to that more than in today's city life. We connect to that more than we connect to real people. And so in different ways, all the three stories sort of represent that. And they're tied in a particular way, which once you watch the film, you realize. I featured in the third story called Contact, which is about a girl who's a very simple girl who's just living her life in a very lower middle class family and just working. She's lifeless, she has nothing to look forward to in her life, and till one day she gets a letter and from an anonymous person and everything changes, and then what happens is something that you see in the film.
How much did you connect with the whole character and the whole story?
I really like the script a lot, and Vinay Pathak, who plays the principal character in the first story, he had read the script and he actually suggested to me that, you know, it's a very good script that's come to me. Do you want to also read it? And then Ruchika Oberoi, who's from FTI, who's directed the film, she came and met me and she explained the whole premise, and then she sent me the script and I read it and I really thought it's very sort of today's film. It has a lot of humor in spite of the fact that it's talking about things which are pretty serious, but it's done in a way which is quite funny, and that's a difficult thing to write. So I was very impressed by the writing and I was totally on board.
So we've seen you like in an Indian and doing such quality, and now in Island City, you're doing such quality movies. What's next now?
Well, a couple of other projects. There is Parched, which will release soon, which Mr. Ajay Devgan has produced. Then there is another film based on the first lady doctor's life in India called Dr. Rahma Bai. So that's also, you know, I'm just working on that right now. And then there's a Hollywood project called Lion.
So you can share about the Hollywood project?
Sorry?
Can you share about the Hollywood project?
Well, it's going to release end of the year and it's going to premiere in Toronto Film Festival this year. It's about a little boy who gets lost from a village and then gets adopted by Australian parents and sort of goes and lives in Australia for 20 years of his life. And then when Google Earth comes by, he traces his family back to the Indian village that he had got lost from.
So it's any popular personalities working with you? Or?
Yeah, there are a lot of big stars. There's
Rooney Mara, Nicole Kidman, Dev Patel. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much. Thanks, sir. Thank you so much. So Amrita ji, we've seen you in Marathi cinema and doing Marathi movies. How is it working for a Hindi movie now? I think it's your debut, right? The first
No. I've been working in Hindi as well, but this is my first central character in the film. You have just seen me in Raman Raghav as Nawazi's sister. So I'm very happy that Hindi industry is giving me bigger and bigger roles now. So this is my first Hindi film with central character. I'm very happy because my film Killa was praised. Even if it was a Marathi film, many non-Marathi people watched it, many Hindi people watched it. And Astu, my film, got me National Award, in which I played a Kannadiga. So this is a totally different role in Island City, in which this is a love story between a Delhi.
You want me to stand here? Why?
And my biggest dukh hai is film ka मैं इनके साथ screen नहीं share कर पाई, but he has suggested my name for another film called Chidiya, in which
that's just a beginning.
We will be sharing the screen.
That's just a beginning, right?
And I got that film because of Vinay, and I'll be forever.
मैं एक ऐसी कमर्शियल फिल्म करना चाहूँगा जिसमें पेड़ के इर्द गिर्द दौड़ते हुए मेरे आगे रहेंगी अमृता सुभाष, क्योंकि वो तेज होंगी, दौड़ने में बहुत पारंगत, और मैं पीछे पीछे, क्योंकि with lots of weight I take time to run.
कितना भगाया आपको हीरोइनों ने? कितना भगाया आपको हीरोइनों ने?
कहाँ भगाया?
Island City में, like I don't know.
No, these are three different.
एक island से दूसरे island.
During the shoots, maybe during the shoots.
During the shoots, that's the thing. We never interacted.
Yeah, three different short stories. Three different.
But we'll exchange notes all the time, of course. There was this
we used
one
to call
day,
each other.
Yeah, there was one day that we went on the set together.
Okay.
Because right after we finished shooting, she had to shoot on the same location.
Okay.
But this set was completely different.
We saw the entire film when I saw it in Venice. Like when we saw it in Venice. Before that, we had no clue what's happening in the other stories.
So how?
We knew the script, but we didn't know how it's been shot.
So how amazed you were when you saw like everybody from all of you? How amazed you were to see each other's characters strong.
Yeah, it was like watching a new film. It was just watching any other film, which is actually a very good thing. Because अपनी film तो सबको अच्छी लगती है. ये सिर्फ हमारी picture नहीं, ये इनकी अलग-अलग है ना. To watch it in totality was really like watching just any other film.
What's most refreshing is the director on the way. Yes. Not around. I can't tell you. When we were working with her, we didn't realize that she is 3 steps ahead of us. But she's very subdued. She did not scream. And of course, it was the first film. I'm sure she must have been nervous also. But when you see what you see, and you say, oh my God, and she's written the film also. I think she's the hero of the film.
So how is it playing like with less dialogues and more expression? Is it like a piece of cake for you? You had like less dialogues and more expressions. So it was like very easy.
It was. कलाकारों की मेहनत नहीं समझते आप लोग. No, it was nothing like that. I do have dialogues. It was a different experience shooting a film like this because her precision with every shot, it had nothing, I do have dialogue. I was kidding when I said that. But her precision of what she wanted and how tedious she could get in order to get particularly that was wonderful.
So what do you tell the audience? Why should they go and watch Island City?
कृपया प्लीज 2 सितंबर को अपना कीमती वोट देकर हमें विजयी बनाएं. आपका वोट हमारे लिए बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है और हम चाहते हैं इन खूबसूरत बालाओं के साथ हम आपसे ये इल्तिजा कर रहे हैं कि प्लीज कम सी द फिल्म. We would do a nice number for you. Yeah. And she's looking away. Yeah.
Okay. So Vinay, we can see your whole look. It's sort of like Italian beard and stuff like that.
Oh, this one? This one for a different film.
Okay.
It's for an Italian film.
Okay, wow.
I'm playing an Italian mafia. But I can't talk about it right now because that's not what it's about.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Cool. Peace out.
He's the Italian James Bond with the hot legs.
Oh my God.
Italian James.
Meet Mr.
ये आप मनोज मेरा होगा कि नहीं पूरा आज? मनोज को बहुत हो रहा है इसके अलावा।
आप भी चलो सर, आप भी चलो एक दिन।
नहीं जरा इसका
इसका कोई भरोसा नहीं है।
भरोसा नहीं।